In this video, we're going to be looking at rounding decimal place, place value, and significant figures. Okay, we have to know two abbreviations. One is DP, stands for decimal place, and the second one is that SF stands for significant figures. There are two rules we have to remember. One is that when we have a number 5 or more, we round up, but if we have a number 4 or less, we round down. Okay. In order to do this lesson, make sure you watch my video on place value. Okay, let's convert the following number to units. We'll write the place value in the top. Okay, since we're asked to focus on the unit, we'll draw an arrow under the unit, and we'll always focus on the number to the right of that. So in this case, it is the 3. 3 is less than 5, so therefore we round down. So our final number would be 324. Okay, let's have a look at another example. So we'll draw an arrow under the units. We focus on the 5. 5 rounds up, so this will become 622. When we round up, we add 1 to the column we're focusing on. So, to convert to place value, any place value, you look at the number you want to round to, you focus on the number to the right, and you see if it's 5 or more, and then you round up, or if you see it's 4 or less, you round down. Okay, let's have a look at some questions. Round the following to units, tens, and hundreds. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. Okay, let's have a look at the 9,999. Since it's told us to round to the hundredths place, we draw an arrow, we focus on the number to the right, we can see that 9 rounds up. So therefore we add 1 to this 9 here. This gives us 10. So we put the units number, which is the 0, in place, and we carry the 1 over to the other 9. And then we do 9 plus 10, which is 10. Since we don't have a number in front of this 9, we just write down the 10. So our final answer is 10,000. Okay, let's see how we round with decimal places. So the following is asking me to round 3.462 to 1 decimal place. That is here. We focus on the 6. 6 round up. So we add 1 to the 4, giving us 3.5. We disregard the decimal points that come after, the decimal numbers that come after. Okay, the following is asking me to round 9.2564 to 2 decimal places. We focus on the 6. 6 rounds up. So this comes as 9.26. Again, we forget about these numbers. Okay, I'd like you to try some questions. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. Okay, now let's have a look at significant figures. So a significant figure is the first number that is not a 0. For example, we could have 0056. The first significant figure would be the 5. However, when we have a number, for example, 205, this would be the first significant figure, and this would be the second significant figure, since this 0 is holding a place value. So this number would be said as 205. But if this 0 wasn't here, we would just say it's 25. So this 0 is significant. However, when we look at this, we just say the number is 56, because the 0 has no value. Let's convert 321 to one significant figure. The first significant figure is 3, so we draw an arrow. We focus on the 2 rounds down, so the number becomes 320. The second question is asking us to round 00634.32 to two significant figures. The first significant figure is here, and the second one is here. We draw our arrow onto it, and we focus on the 4 rounds down, so therefore this number becomes 630. Do the following questions. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. Okay, hopefully you are confident in questions in rounding decimal place, place value and significant figures. If this video helped you, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe.